we have here another AirPod-looking earphones, the SoundPEATS TrueAir. Is it just a mere ripoff or a better, cheaper alternative for the original? Let's find out. Welcome everyone, this is Vlogs of an Idol. My name is Joen. As you've watched my Lazada 11/11 haul, I opened up a SoundPEATS lucky bag wherein I got the SoundPEATS TrueAir. I was expecting an earbuds design earphones kasi mostly ng mga earphones ng SoundPEATS are earbuds. Pero ayun, sinwerte tayo at nakakuha pa tayo ng in-ear earphones, which yung hindi ko type ng klase ng earphones. So thank you, SoundPEATS. Maraming salamat. So for those of you who may not know, SoundPEATS is an earphone brand that offers great audio performance for a cheaper price. They're most famous for releasing earbuds such as the True Engine 3 SE, the True Engine 2, True Dot, the True Shift 2, and the TrueAir. Di ko alam kung bakit True ang nasa mga pangalan ng mga earphones nila, but siguro gusto lang nila i-emphasize na true wireless earphones ang speciality nila. In this video, we'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the SoundPEATS TrueAir. But before that, if you like this video, a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel would be astonishing. Right off the bat, here is the SoundPEATS TrueAir packaging. It is the same as Halus, a black box containing the earphones and a sleeve with minimalistic product informations. As we open up the box, we should see a bunch of QR codes on top of the box and a couple of company cards. One says the proper charging of Bluetooth earphones, which a lot of people are asking, so SoundPEATS here offers the solution to your dilemma. Now let's take out the earphones out of the plastic. It is already on a Type-C port. Let's set it aside and open up this box where we should see the Type-C cable, and underneath is a quick and easy manual, which I totally love in any gadgets I would buy. Kasi who would want a complicated manual? Gusto mo nga maintindihan yung basics ng devices tapos papahirapan ka pa? Nakakatanga lang. Now we open up the case. A green light will lit up inside the case, indicating that the earphones are ready to be paired. Let's take out the earphones and remove the blue stickers to initiate its charging. So here's my first impressions. As its design is fully inspired from the AirPods, this isn't half bad. The feeling of opening and closing the case is still quite satisfying, plus this one is already on Type-C. Although di ko alam if just by opening the case nagko-consume na siya ng battery kasi naglilit up yung light indicator sa loob once the case is open. Also, that button on the case, I feel like budget AirPod clones shouldn't add them. I mean, its main function is to connect the earphones to another device. But you can already do that just by turning off the Bluetooth from the previously connected device. So parang medyo useless rin na may button pa para sa ganun. So parang simple lang naman ang mangyayari. Bakit naglagay pa sila ng ganun? Sayang lang talaga kasi maganda rin tingnan pag walang button yung case, sobrang minimal lang. Pero siguro para lang ma-defer ng company na hindi sila truly AirPod clone, nilalagyan nila ng button. Pero yung function pa rin ng button parang wala lang, parang nalagay lang dun. By the way, when pairing and disconnecting the earphones, may nagsasalita. Parang ang chipipay tuloy ng earphones na to. Pero hindi naman siya katulad ng mga in-check na naririnig mo sa mga tig 200 Bluetooth na speaker ha. Parang fluent naman siya sa English at pang sosyalin yung pang nanalita niya. So, siguro okay na din yun. Feelings on the earphones are alright, I guess. Kasi syempre, in-ear siya. It is an in-ear earphone, so may discomfort talaga ako nararamdaman sa initial use. Also, yung feeling na palagi siyang malalaglag, andun eh. Hindi ko talaga siya mapasok fully dun sa loob ng tenga ko. In fact, unang pagsuot ko pa nga lang sa earphones na to, nalaglag ko na siya. Dahil na rin siguro long hair na tong buhok ko at nako-cover palagi yung ears, kaya sobrang hirap na magpasok ng mga earphones. Kailangan ko pang ihawi ng ganyan. Pero may mga natitira pa rin buhok na nagsistay sa ano eh. Kaya umpisa pa lang, I can suggest this one for fitness activities. Delikado na, baka malaglag nyo lang palagi, masira yung earphone, sayang naman. Dahil di rin naman seamless ang feeling pag suot-suot mo siya. Talking about the earphones, it is on a smart touch control. What's great here is that for its price of $30, may controls natin siya for volume and music playback. Actually, it also has 10 controls, same as the Tronsmart Onyx Free. Very simple lang, a mixture of taps and holds. I must say, I like that they made the one-tap control for the volume. Para if ever hahawakan mo ang earphones at the top, hindi gaano madidisrupt ang music listening experience mo. In fact, you can also hold them by its stem naman to adjust it to your ears. Powered with the Qualcomm chipset, so super quick lang talaga ng pairing sa earphones ito. It does pair both of the earphones to your device for that sweet stereo mode quality. Also supports up to aptX audio codec. I do say this is one of the best sounding in-ear earphones I have tried, but we'll get to the sound performance once we do a full review of the SoundPEATS TrueAir. So that's it for my unboxing and first impressions of the SoundPEATS TrueAir. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about these earphones. If you do like the content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell for you you to get updated on every uploads that I make. I do it weekly. Yun lang guys, medyo mabilis lang ang ating first impressions dito sa earphones na to dahil in-ear lang siya at alam nyo naman guys, pagdating sa in-ear earphones, sobrang sela ng tenga ko. Hindi niya talaga kinakaya. Sobrang minimal lang ng mga napansin kong points at mostly doon ma-affect talaga sa design. At yun, await nyo na lang yung review ko para sa earphones na to. Yun lang guys, everyone, stay safe. Huwag nyo kakalimutang maghugas ng kamay, mag-alcohol pag may mga packages kayong paparating sa mga bahay nyo. Nagkaroon ng mass gathering dahil nagtipon sina Pacquiao at Harry Roque. At ayun nga, ang daming tao na naman. Parang wala na talagang kubed. Mga hayop na yan. At talaga nagre-ready silang mangumpanya for 2022. Kaya guys, para sa inyo, mag-register na kayo to vote for 2022 elections para naman maging maayos na mga pakiramdam natin. Maging maayos na ang buhay natin. Kasi sa totoo lang, nasa atin yung power para mapaayos yung Pilipinas. Hindi nyo lang naiisip pero nasa atin talaga yan. Maging maayos lang mga i-appoint natin sa posisyon. Kaya nga tayo democracy. Yun lang guys. See you sa next video. Bye-bye.